Welcome you all for another short video on technical analysis. We are going to focus today on the equity market. So in this video, we are going to teach you how to enter into a profitable trade using the price action, basically a technical analysis chart pattern. Let us see how much profit we made today. Approximately 2,760 just on the lot size of 30, and we are going to trade in the Bajaj Finance equity market today. In this trading setup, today we will be learning how to identify the trend, the double top pattern supported by the technical indicators like volume and PSAR. We are recording this at around 3:33 where the market has closed now. So let's look into the order book. So this is the order which we kind of initiated the trade. So this was at around 1:30 that we initiated a sell of Bajaj Finance quantity of 20 taken at a price level at 3,310, and by the time of market closing at around 3:13 we executed a trade and exit at the price level of 3218, and the profit what we achieved was rupees 2,760. Now let's go into the chart pattern. That was the resistance level, and now check this pattern. This is called as the double top pattern, and this is the neckline. So let me draw the neckline as well. Okay, so this is the neckline. Let's check the double top pattern. So this is technical analysis when you are going to focus on the double top pattern. Now double top pattern is an extremely bearish technical reversal pattern that forms after asset, that is equity, reaches a high price for the two consecutive time with a modern decline between the two high. It is confirmed once the asset price falls below a support level equal to the low between the two higher price. Okay, so once we go to the images, this is what we kind of get. So we see the first peak, second peak, then you have a neckline. So your order should ideally be executed at around this level. Okay, so let's go to our technical chart pattern. So this was the chart of Bajaj Finance today. Okay, and then let me zoom in. Okay, so this was the double top pattern. Okay, almost coinciding with these and the rest of the images what you can see. The first top, neckline, second top, this is where the breakout of the bearish market would start, that is a downtrend. Okay, now this is the double top pattern. We executed the order at around 3,310 on the chart, 33110. First identify the pattern, which was a double top pattern. See the neckline. Initiated this trade at around 3,310, and then we almost executed at around 3,218 at around 3:13 p.m. Okay, the market fell down, but we were not greedy to book more profit, so we played smart and executed the order at the safer zone rather than market start to show the reversal pattern. This was the exit price. Okay, so the gap between 3,310 minus 3,218 was the profit which we booked today. 2,760 on a lot size of just 30. So the main thing which I want to teach you is basically the double top pattern, okay, in trading setup. So identify the price, the peak, see the neckline. Ideally the breakout should be at around this particular prices. We initiated slightly down just to be 100% sure. Okay, I hope you understood that with the same pattern. So double top pattern, neckline, ideally 3344 should have been the ideal trade of our entry, but once we got the proper confirmation of the profitable trade, we initiated the entry at 33110. We had an exit price at around 3218. This is the order book and the profit. Okay, thank you for watching.